Hello friends, we will do another simplification problem. First 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 multiplied with 6 is equal to 18. Then 3 divided by 18 means 3 by 18. We will rearrange. You know the rearrange. Then 3 minus 1 by 6. So 3 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 17 divided by 6. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule. Sorry, PEMDAS rule. Here, PEMDAS rule is so here in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division has same priority, and addition and subtraction also has same priority. In here in the expression, here is a first bracket. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have to do first the first bracket. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. If we delete the first bracket, then we can write 3 into 6. According to the PEMDAS rule, another rule is left to right of the expression. First is division, so we will do first the division, then multiplication. So the answer is -3. This is the right answer.